Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wood chisels that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Wood Chisels. Chisels have been around for thousands of years, standing the test of time as one of the most versatile hand tools available. They can shave off excess wood, make intricate wood joints, and carve out custom designs. As a necessity for making fine furniture, every serious woodworker needs a quality set of wood chisels at their disposal. Chisels can be a waste of time and money. Number 5. WORKPRO Hardened and Tempered Steel Blade Wood Chisel. The full-sized handle means this chisel for even when using for an extended period of time. A protective blade guard is included to keep the chisel blade edge sharp. Main features: heavy-duty design, durable steel cap, ergonomic grip. Number 4. Wood Chisel Sets METAKOO 4 pieces wood chisels. High carbon content makes the chisel stiffer to chisel mortise and better to keep its shape. Double heat treatment and polished surface make the chisel sharper to deburr the edge. Main features: hardened spring steel, comfortable handle, multiple choice. Number 3. Wood Chisel Set Meter 8 pieces premium woodworking tools. Alloy steel head provides maximum strike strength. Sharpened and curved claw generates maximum nail pulling leverage. Finely polished finish clear coating ensures durability. Main features: carbon steel blade, durable claw hammer, non-slip handle. Number 2. TEHAUX 4 pieces wood carving chisel set. The top of the handle is protected by an iron ring, which is very resistant to knocks. You can hit the top of the handle with a small hammer or mallet. Main features: made of high-quality steel material. Handle is made of solid wood, solid and durable. Number 1. ENTAI 12-piece wood chisel set. Any dedicated woodworker should have a set of wooden chisels. Wood chisels are staple tools that allow you to accurately carve of work pieces for added complexity. Main features: chrome vanadium steel alloy blades, non-slip rubbery handle, more durable chisel. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.